Okuzu, a modest town in Oyi local government area of Anambra State, a young boy named Chiadu Nweke once believed that the future is shaped by your university degree, but today he is celebrated as an Igbo billionaire and one of the leading Anambra billionaires in real estate. His story is an inspiring testament to bold choices, risk-taking, and transforming land into iconic lifestyle estates that define modern luxury. Barrister Chiedu Mu began his academic journey with a law degree from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. He further earned an LLM from Lagos State University and is currently completing a PhD program there. But make no mistake, he never saw himself remaining confined to courtrooms. In his own words, he calls himself a project person. The legal credentials were foundational, but real transformation lay elsewhere. Chiedu's real education came from the water. For nearly 26 years, he honed his skills in dredging and land reclamation, first in Baran, Bayelsa State, and by 2009 in Lagos for the Lekki Lakes Golf Estate. Recognizing the potential, he pivoted toward real estate. That dredging work paved the path to pioneering Orange Island and Periwinkle lifestyle estates in Lekki Phase 1. Orange Island and Periwinkle emerged from shanties and swamps of Elegushi and Ikate in Lagos State. Many doubted the area could be revived, but Chiedu, an Igbo billionaire born in Anambra State, partnered with Oba Saheed Elegushi to reclaim and redefine the space. When he revealed the name Periwinkle, the Oba laughed. But today, the estate symbolizes premium Anambra billionaire-led innovation. He designed Periwinkle as a life, work, and play lifestyle estate. Shops, malls, playgrounds, and jogging tracks, all within walking distance. It redefined luxury living for Lagos and propelled him into the ranks of respected Igbo billionaires. Chiedu's philosophy: hard work, long hours, patience, and tenacity. He logs long days, believing success is earned, not given. He benchmarks everything by what he would accept himself. No half measures. If it's not good enough for him, he won't offer it to others. As a risk taker, he ventured into Eco-Atlantic projects that others avoided. Today, Pan Atlantis towers and other luxury condos stand where none dared before. Chiedu did not just build estates, he built inclusively. In Ikate, the very communities transformed by Periwinkle became partners in growth. Ballers, youth, women are paid stipends, hired locally and engaged. He earned the chieftaincy title Are Atunluse of Ikate Kingdom, honoring his commitment to their development. That deep integration distinguishes him among Igbo billionaires, not just an investor, but a community contributor. As an Anambra billionaire, Chiedu Mu stands out among the Igbos. His success shows how an Igbo from Okuzu can transform not just land, but perceptions. His efforts challenge traditional expectations of Igbo professional success. Instead of court or white-collar roles, he chose land reclamation and estates, ambitions often dismissed as uncertain. Today, his Periwinkle brand is a market leader in luxury real estate, combining innovation, customer focus, and multi-billion naira projects. He mentors young entrepreneurs. There is a Chiedu in you already, he says. Begin with what you have. Small land, small ambition, grow it. Education remains vital. He emphasizes it as a foundation for confidence, innovation, and business success. Chiedu wants Nigeria, and especially the Igbo youth, to see beyond limitations. Aim as if viewing Earth from the moon, he quotes. As an Igbo billionaire, he doesn't just challenge norms, he redefines possibility. Barrister Chiedu Mu started in Okuzu, an Anambra community. Today, he is not just a lawyer turned developer, he's an iconic Igbo billionaire and one of the most respected Anambra billionaires. His story proves that destiny is not fixed by university degrees. It is rewritten by vision, risk, hard work, and community. His estates, Orange Island, Periwinkle, Pan Atlantis, are monuments to Igbos leading from within. And for every young Nigerian watching, believe in yourself. The world is waiting for the next Igbo billionaire to emerge. This is Ebonyi People TV.